2 points are enough to describe an entire line and almost everything about it. Here is everything you can find from them. Let's start with the midpoint. Here are our 2 points, 2, 3 and 6, 7. To find the midpoint, average the x coordinates first. 2 plus 6 divided by 2 equals 4. Now average the y coordinates. 3 plus 7 divided by 2 equals 5. So the midpoint is 4, 5, plotted right between the two original points. Next, the distance between the 2 points. The distance formula is the square root of the x difference squared plus the y difference squared. Plug in the coordinates. The x difference is 6 minus 2, which is 4. The y difference is 7 minus 3, which is also 4. So we get the square root of 4 squared plus 4 squared. 4 squared plus 4 squared is 16 plus 16, which is 32. So the distance is the square root of 32, which simplifies to 4 times the square root of 2. Now the gradient, which tells you how steep the line is, the formula is the y difference divided by the x difference. The y difference is 4, and the x difference is 4, so the gradient is 4 divided by 4, which equals 1. Two lines are parallel exactly when their gradients are equal. Here both lines have a gradient of 2, so they are parallel and they never meet. Two lines are perpendicular when their gradients multiply to -1. Here, one line has gradient 2 and the other has gradient -1/2. 2 times -1/2 equals -1, so these lines are perpendicular. Now let's build the equation of a line from a point and a gradient. Take the point 2, 3 with gradient 1. The general form is y minus y1 equals m times, open bracket, x minus x1, close bracket. Substitute in our values. Y minus 3 equals 1 times, open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket. Multiplying out and simplifying gives y equals x plus 1, a clean equation for the line. The same coordinate ideas extend to circles. Here's a circle on the grid with the general equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0. To find its center and radius, group the x terms and the y terms together. X squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 6y equals 12. Complete the square on each group. Open bracket x minus 2, close bracket, squared minus 4, plus open bracket y minus 3, close bracket, squared, minus 9 equals 12. Move the extra numbers to the other side and you get open bracket x minus 2, close bracket, squared, plus open bracket y minus 3, close bracket, squared, equals 25. The center is 2, 3, and the radius is 5, since 25 is 5 squared. Now intersections. Substitute the line y equals x directly into the circle's equation. That gives open bracket x minus 2, close bracket, squared, plus open bracket x minus 3, close bracket, squared, equals 25. Expanding and simplifying leads to the quadratic x squared minus 5x minus 6 equals 0. Before we solve it, a quick guess. Do you think this line cuts straight through the circle at 2 points, or just grazes it at 1? Let's solve and find out. Factorizing gives open bracket x minus 6, close bracket, times open bracket x plus 1, close bracket, equals 0, so x equals 6 or x equals -1. Since y equals x, the two intersection points are 6, 6 and -1, -1. Two distinct solutions means two distinct intersections such as the circle, and we'd call it a tangent instead. Here is the full process, from start to finish. Step 1. Average the x and y coordinates to get the midpoint. Step 2. Use the square root of the sum of the squared differences to get the distance. Step 3. Divide the y difference by the x difference to get the gradient. Step 4. Compare gradients to check for parallel or perpendicular lines. Step 5. Use y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 to build the line equation. Step 6. Complete the square on the circle equation to reveal the center and radius. Step 7. Substitute the line into the circle equation and solve to find any intersection points. The single most common mistake here is mixing up the order of subtraction. Keep the x and y differences in the same order in both the top and bottom of the gradient, and in the distance formula, or you'll flip the sign by accident. Midpoint, average the coordinates. Distance, square root of the squared differences. Gradient, y difference over x difference. Parallel means equal gradients. Perpendicular means gradients multiply to -1. A point and a gradient build the line equation. Completing the square on a circle reveals its center and radius. Substituting a line into a circle finds where they meet.